If your air conditioner's condenser unit insulation is damaged, it can totally wreck your system's efficiency and jack up your energy bills. So, first off, check the insulation around the condenser unit regularly. You want it intact and snug. If you spot any tears or wear, don't just ignore it because that messes with how well your AC cools your place. You can get replacement insulation sleeves or liners made specifically for condenser units at most hardware stores. When you're putting in new insulation, make sure it fits tight and covers all the pipes to keep the cold air in and heat out. Avoid using just random foam or tape that isn't meant for outdoor HVAC use, since they won't last or protect properly. Also, if you're not comfortable handling it yourself, ask a pro to do the job right without messing up any other parts. Keeping the insulation in good shape means your AC doesn't have to work overtime, which saves you money and stress. Don't forget to schedule regular maintenance checks so any damage is caught early before it turns into a bigger pain. One of the biggest mess-ups people make with condenser unit insulation is ignoring small tears. Those tiny cracks let heat sneak in and mess with efficiency, so patch them up fast. Another common issue is using the wrong type of insulation that can't handle weather exposure, leading to quick breakdowns. Always go for materials labeled for HVAC outdoor use. Last but not least, folks often forget to secure the insulation properly around the pipes, which means it can slip off or leave gaps. Make sure it's tight and sealed so your system stays chill. BigHomeProjects.com hooks up homeowners with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to fix stuff like condenser unit insulation the right way. It also helps contractors find steady work by connecting them with people ready to get projects done without the hassle.